Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. Today my husband is helping me get the new watering system up on the Rabbitry. So let me show you some of our supplies, what we're using, and kind of the basic idea of what we want to get accomplished today. So we are using 1/2 inch PVC tubing, and then we got some 45 angles, some 90s couplings. We are using these threaded, I don't know if you can see there you go, threaded tees for these nipples here. They'll just thread right into that tee. And then we got some of these quick connect or quick release or whatever they're called for in between the cages, so we can easily detach it if we need to drain lines or clean things out. And then here is the general idea for the setup. Our trash cans are over here, so we're going to be running lines down to the trash can to the pump, and then we're just doing a line across the back of the cages all the way across down, so it's a solid loop, and then back across the bottom cages, and then back in to the trash can where the pump is. We have 2 trash cans and 2 pumps, so we're going to be setting up 2 separate systems, and then this will give each side their own 32 gallons of water to circulate through. So before we get started, we are doing all of the females with 2 nipples for her cage because they're going to have babies in with them, so we want to offer more than 1 nipple, and male cages will have 1, and then the grow out cages will have 2 or 3 depending on how many of the watering nipples I have left on that side. So let's go ahead and get things started. So here's how the nipples thread into the tee. It's in my pocket. And then you will need a pair of pliers to tighten it down. You don't want to do it too tight so you don't strip it out, but that's how it looks. just finished with all of the piping and we are going to plug in the pump and make sure everything works.
Water come out.